This video is more of an announcement that I want to make, which is more for myself. I simply wanted to highlight this new chapter that I'm starting. And although I have RSpec being shown here, my announcement is about learning Rust. And this video is more of like a public commitment that I'm making, not as if I were lazy or something like that, but I think because it's like 2 weeks since I've started learning Rust outside of work in my free time and at a very slow pace, but I've realized that I feel like I'm becoming a better programmer just by learning Rust, because learning Rust isn't just learning a new syntax. In order to properly understand this, you need to learn more about its primitives, and its primitives are oftentimes composed of general programming concepts. And so this is why I think, and I'm very happy to make the decision, to have made this decision. And what I plan to do in the future videos is to share my journey. And one last thing that I want to mention is why I'm learning Rust. Well, it is very tied to RSpec, which is marketed, I guess, as an alternative to Webpack, which is written in Rust, which should make the build time a lot more faster. And maybe there are other improvements that can be made with Rust as a core language. And so my ambition was to learn RSpec as well, since I'm quite familiar with Webpack. But when I started reading the Rust code, which is predominant, I realized that I don't know a lot, and I felt like a beginner once again. This happens after, I think I have been programming since 2017 or something like that, and feeling like a beginner once again, it's a humbling experience, which I don't shy away from. But in order to properly understand what's going on in RSpec, because there are some things done differently towards the same goal, but in order to understand them, I need to learn Rust properly. And this is the reason why I started learning Rust, because I want to understand RSpec. And basically now I'm learning them concurrently, no pun intended, although the word concurrently is a common word in programming. Yes, so this is November 15th, and I'm marking a chapter that started, I think, 2 weeks ago, and that is learning Rust. We'll see how it goes. As I said, I will share just what I learned in the process. Although now that I think about this, I already have some things in mind that I want to share. Now that I think about this, what I'm learning is quite basic, but anyway, it's I guess it's part of my journey, which I want to expose on this channel. Okay, I guess that is all that there is to it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.